welcome to my channel Ruchi Sharma Videos. Today we are covering vowels. Many of the parents are helpless to teach their children when it comes to the topics like vowels, consonants, picture compositions and other things. So in today's video this problem will get resolved, that is how to teach vowels. First we should know what is a vowel. Vowel is the sound of an alphabet. Okay, so basically vowels are the sounds, and these are the sounds of some alphabets. When we speak, the sound is not blocked by the lips or the tongue or the throat. For example, if I will say A, the sound is not blocked. If I'll say B, lips are blocking the air, so it is not a vowel. C, tongue is blocking the air, so it is also not the vowel. D, tongue is again blocking the air, so it is not a vowel. E, tongue, lips, throat, nothing is blocking the air, so this is a vowel. So if we check all the alphabets, we will find that A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels. These are 5 in numbers. You can write it on the fingers of your child so that while playing they could see these vowels and they could learn them. A, E, I, O, U. I hope you have understood what is a vowel. So as a parent we should know, then only we can teach the children. So A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowel sounds. Now I'll be discussing the worksheets which are required to teach the children so that they can become perfect in the usage of these vowels. They would be learning articles a, an. It means one. When we talk about a book, that is one book. And when we talk about an apple, that is one apple. But sometimes we are using a, sometimes we are using an. Now, depending on the sound of the first alphabet of the word, we will decide whether we will write a or an. For the junior classes, we teach them if the words are starting with A, E, I, O or U, we put the article an. For example, an ox, O, an egg, starting with E. So the vowels are clear, the sounds of the letters, number of vowels are clear, 5, and the vowels itself, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now I'm covering some of the worksheets based on this. So dear parents, as you all can see, use of a, an. Can you see the screen? Here it is shown A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All the alphabets are written. You can give these alphabets and you can give the blanks where the child will write an in front of the vowels. An for A. But for B, C, D, which are not vowels, these are the consonants. So we will write A. Now for E, which is again a vowel, we will write an. So all the alphabets for E, the words which start with the alphabet E, we write an. I, an. O, an. U, an. And for rest of the alphabets, we will write A. Here, you can see a book. Book is not starting the first alphabet we have to check. It is not vowel. So we will not write an here. But here in aeroplane, the first alphabet is A. So we will write an. In bag, the first alphabet is not a vowel. So we will not write an. We will write A. It is a bag. It is an eagle. An means one only. Eagle is starting with the vowel. So we will write an. Similarly, a tree. An insect. I is the vowel. An onion. Again the vowel. Here, you can give the children with the pictures. They will identify it as bug. It will help them to learn the sounds of U. The sound is O. So these are the different sounds. Sound of O is O, box. B, ik, I. I says I, pig. M, g. M, g. Mug. B, I, n. Bin. R, at. A, t. R, at. H, a, n. Hen. E. K, a, r. Car. So can you see all the vowels will be filling the blanks and child will be able to learn the sounds of that. N, e, t, net, d, o, g, dog. So if these sounds will start a certain word, we will always write and before it, before the vowel sounds. I hope it is clear. We will meet in our next video with some more interesting and knowledgeable topics. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep messaging and sharing your comments.